Okay, a factory update. We are making something very interesting, which is basically this. It's a rubbery material, and this is going to be used as the interface material between the fiberglass spar on the C-Pod and the metal spar that is on the C-Pod. So we need to be able to connect the two, and so we're going to use this kind of a material. Let's check this out here. So it kind of looks, it's very flexible. We want to have a harder material, so it's you can change the hardness depending on the mixture that you make this with. So there's different varieties that we can do. So we have a couple, we're doing a little science experiment here, mixing all these components together to make it into that kind of rubbery material. So this is the first test.
Simulating a tire.
Yeah, we're basically making a tire. It's already starting to harden. Oops.
Oh, that's a lot. I think we should remove it. Otherwise, testing compressive strength is going to be difficult.
Yeah.
Maybe
Make another one. I need to
maybe have another. Do we have another? Maybe.
Okay, so what is this material? That's
This is a it's a liquid rubber.
liquid
It's a
rubber.
liquefied rubber, bitumen rubber.
Okay, and then this is
So this is a salt mixture.
okay.
It's just to drain out the moisture. So that's a two-part. So that's 10 to 1, and then 20% of whatever your volume is in this too.
Okay, and then is there a hardener?
That is it's not a hardener. This reacts. This is
Oh,
the hardener.
okay,
So this
that's
actually
the
drains
hardener.
the moisture out of it using the salt.